Okay, we got this little collapsible cart here, this three-tiered cart here, and it's like super handy because it collapses, it folds up and gets out of the way completely. They sent this to us so we could show it to you, but it's like so handy because like it holds a lot. It holds a ton of weight here. We got on the top, we got the bucket with all the dog stuff in it, the leashes and the all the things that you know, like when her raincoat and the towel for when we have to dry her off when it's raining and stuff like that, and all of her harness for her guide dog harness and all that kind of stuff, and then a couple other things there on the bottom. But when we're not using it, it folds up completely just flat, and we can just set it out of the way. I'll show you that here in a second, but it's like so convenient. It holds a ton of weight and it rolls around super easily and stuff, and you can see on the back there's the framing and stuff, and then the front there, and I'll show you when it's all folded up here. Okay, I took the stuff off of it, and then to fold it up, all you do is you just lift this little handle in the middle there, and then you can see it just folds up real easy, and then grab a little hook and loop strap right here. It just like hooks right there to the little edge right there. See if I can rotate that down there, and then look, it just like goes wherever. You just roll it over here out of the way, ta-da, and then it just goes right there. So yeah, it's so awesome and handy and easy to use, and it's very lightweight. It doesn't hardly, and of course it's super easy to move. So like, thanks for sending that. Awesome, love it.